Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Domino's garlic and herb dip. Hit it. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, head down in the corner, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We're going to go with a half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 pinch of sugar, and not pictured are the salt and pepper that we're going to use at the end to give it a little bit more taste. Let's head down here and start mixing it up. Okay, all we're going to do is we're going to add our sour cream, our mayonnaise, then we're just going to add oregano and the basil, the garlic, a pinch of the sugar, and then our vinegar. I'm going to mix this up really good. We'll hit it with a little salt and pepper. Mix it again. Alright, I'm going to dish this up. We're going to put some breadsticks in here, take some beautiful pictures up for social media, add some music to those pictures, and we'll be right back to taste it. Don't go anywhere. The dip. Give it a try with the breadstick. Yeah. Creaminess of the mayonnaise with the sour cream. You get that bite of that garlic in there, and then those herbs just kind of slide right in for that flavor. This is very, very good. Be a lot better to let it sit overnight, but definitely the next party you have, make this dip. You'll be a big hit. Alright, well don't forget to check out that description box for all my groovy links and for the recipe. And then don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. And then don't forget to share with everybody you know. Take care of yourselves. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.